Right about here, we've got a little piece of wire in the tire. Wondering if we can pull it up with pliers. I guess time will tell. Been wondering if it's actually causing a leak or not. I got just the thing for this. It's technically for like gas plumbing more than anything, but we're gonna use it for all purposes today and see what happens. I think I lucked out here. I don't see any bubbles, so my guess is that this is not actually all the way into the tire to cause a leak. I bet I did this to myself. This looks like a tiny, tiny broken drill bit. All right, let's work that in and see what we get, okay? My hope is that we work a little grease into them and they get better. Any more? Is it getting better?
Yeah, it's not great though. I think we really need to... Can you move that foot, please?
I'll get it. I'll get it. There you go.
Right in the face, buddy.
It's all right. We installed a WeBoost antenna and we fed the cable down through the fridge vent here and stuck on the cord with the little feet that it comes with. And actually what happened was the feet, for the most part, didn't stick to their own double-sided tape that they came with. And so I'm gonna have to go back and reattach them all down along the body of the trailer so that we don't have an issue with the cord flapping around and scratching the top of the trailer. Really surprises me that the WeBoost double-sided feet didn't actually hold together. I thought that these might have peeled off the body of the trailer because I didn't do a good job cleaning the surface before we attached, but that's actually not the case. I'm gonna do my best to peel off the residual sticky pad here. I'm gonna clean it up with denatured, and then I'm gonna re-adhere it. After I've cleaned up each one going down the body, I'm gonna re-adhere it with Drum Pro 635. So moving forward on the trailer, every place that we put one of these, they're all flopping loose in the wind. So we'll figure out a better way to do this. So really not the ideal adhesive to use necessarily, but it seems to be better than the feet that it came with. The double-sided just didn't work out with those, so pre-adhered it, and I'm hoping that it's gonna be better now. I made this repair back in Shenandoah. Replaced that bolt and put double nuts on it so it wouldn't come back loose, and that seems to have held up well since then. But I did have to make a bit of a roadside repair. This aluminum was coming loose. It's been damaged by the previous owner. I don't know exactly what happened here. It needs to be patched, or we need to actually replace the whole rear sheet, like the last 4 feet from the jacks forward. But I had to quickly put some screws with the washers because everything had pulled through and it was flapping in the wind. So that's a half a repair. I have to actually do it right later.